That is the point. Now, how to understand that? That Krishna tells in Bhagavad Gita very beautifully. Mattah parataram nanyat kinchid asti dhananjaya mayi sarvam idam protam sutre manigana iva. If you have seen a pearl necklace, it's interesting. The pearl necklace looks very beautiful. All the pearls are strung very nicely. And we appreciate the pearls, we appreciate the pearl necklace. But how many of us appreciate the sutra or the thread which is inside the pearls? And because of that sutra, that thread, all the pearls are together. So, and Krishna in Bhagavad Gita tells that. What he tells? Mattaha parataram na anyat kinchit asti dhananjaya. So, mayi sarvam idam protam sutre maniganaiva. Mattaha parataram nanyat. In everything I am there, I exist. How do I exist? I exist like how a thread exists in a pearl's necklace. Meaning, I am there, I am maintaining, I am holding the entire necklace, but nobody can see it. So that is the point. So how can our birth, beauty, intelligence only be random events? Hope you are getting my point. When you see, if you have heard from the beginning, we see there are laws which governs everything. Nothing happens by chance or randomly. Isn't there a law that govern all these things? Don't you think there are laws which govern all these things in this universe? Definitely it is there. So let us discuss this small analogy. So if you take a train, so there are so many bogies, fourth bogie, third bogie, second bogie, first bogie, and finally the engine. So if the train is moving, what are the cause or why the train is moving? There are different causes. Now fifth bogie is moving because the fourth bogie is pulling it, and fourth bogie is moving because the third bogie is pulling it. The third bogie is moving because the second bogie is pulling it, and the second bogie is moving because the first bogie is pulling it, and the first bogie is moving because the engine is pulling it. So the point here is, for everything there are different causes, different levels of causes. And what are the cause? There is immediate cause, there is remote cause, and there is ultimate cause. So these are the three causes. So the fourth bogie is the remote cause, and the immediate cause for the second bogie to move is the first bogie. But for all the bogies to move, the ultimate cause is the engine. Thank you very much.